Welcome to the AI Prompt Engineering module, where you'll learn to design an interactive card matching game using AI prompt statements. Our learning objectives include writing prompts for visual assets, crafting layout descriptions, defining game rules, and refining prompt engineering. To generate consistent card covers, use an AI image generator or design them manually. This ensures a cohesive gameplay experience. Now, let your creativity shine. Put all graph files in the same folder and aspect ratio of cards. Draft the layout of the web page by dividing it into 3 main sections: status header, card grid area, and controls. Use layout prompting to create a centered game screen with distinct sections for score, level, attempts, and controls. The layout is divided into 3 main sections: status header, stats bar, displays score, timer, level, and attempt count. Card grid area, the main game board displaying the cards. Controls and feedback, start, reset buttons, and visual animation graphics. Note: because card counts vary, prioritize testing layouts with 4 cards and 12 cards first. Implement card flip and matching mechanics by describing action triggers, match conditions, and feedback precisely in your prompt. Translate game mechanics into explicit instructions that guide AI in generating the functional game, replacing manual coding. 1. Card flip. When a card is clicked, smoothly flip it to reveal its content face. 2. Attempt tracking. Counting 2 flipped cards equals 1 attempt. 3. Match logic and feedback. If 2 cards match, show bingo at center for 0.5s, add 1 mark to score, and disappear matched cards. If 2 cards do not match, show try again for 0.5s, then flip cards back to cover face. You may set other delay time. Translate your game mechanics, control triggers, and storage requirements into explicit instructions that the AI can convert directly into code. Prompt 1. Levels. When all cards are matched, advance level +1, up to 5 levels, and add 2 more cards per level. Prompt 2. Buttons. Start activates game timer. Reset restarts game to level 1. Prompt 3. Logging. Record pair completion time for each level in storage file named card, date plus time.txt. Set the display window size to 1600 x 1200 for optimal game performance. Visual layout and assets. Design the interface according to the attached mockup. Load card images from the local project folder, e.g. our pick. Pass the image paths to the LLM and render them based on the specified layout. Load bottom graphic assets animations, e.g. 01.if, 02.gf, etc. Implement game controls and data logging, including reset functionality, performance tracking, and file export for comprehensive game management. Card flip. Reveal the card face when a user clicks on a covered card. Match. If 2 selected cards match, increment score +1 and attempts +1, then remove the matched cards from the board. Mismatch. If 2 selected cards do not match, increment attempts +1. Display a try again message and flip the cards face down. Level progression. Once all cards on the board are cleared, advance to the next level, level +1. The game contains 5 levels in total. Replayability. Allow users to replay the game continuously upon completion. Game controls and data logging. 3 parts: reset functionality, performance tracking, and file export. Reset functionality. Implement a reset button to restart the current game state. Performance tracking. Measure the elapsed time taken to match each pair and log the metrics. File export. Save session data to a text file named using the format card year plus month stay text. Popular file name is good for future use. Review the prompt guidelines above, then pause the video to craft your own prompt. Once it's ready, run it to see the results. Copy the code, save the file, open the game, and enjoy testing your creation. These steps ensure a smooth game development process. 1. Copy the code. Copy the generated code into Notepad or your preferred text editor. 2. Save the file. Save it as card game, HTML. 3. Open the game. Open your file manager and double-click cardgame.html to launch it in your browser. 4. Play. Test the game and enjoy your creation. Now it's your turn. Craft your prompt and create your game.